We're checking out the latest from Beyerdynamic at CES 2019, and the big flagship item is the Lagoon ANC. Now, not only are these a very stylish pair of headphones, but they have some really interesting features. Of course, they have the active noise cancellation, but they also have a new partnership with a company called Mosaic that does hearing testing. So it allows these headphones to compensate for your own hearing damage, which most of us have if we're adults, if not all of us, and adjust the sound accordingly. That's not the only cool thing. If you look inside here, it's kind of interesting how they've got these lighted inlays. Now, this isn't just for show, because of course it doesn't show unless you open the headphones. What this actually does is tell you how much charge is left on the headphones. And if you're charging them, they also pulsate. Now, they're orange right now means they have about mid-range charge. They go up to green or red. So that's kind of a cool innovation. Also, it's a really nicely styled headphone. Now, the headphones have about 25 hours of battery with active noise cancellation and 45 without. That's a whole lot of listening time on a charge. Now, we don't have the price just yet, but we expect them to be on the spendy side, about $400, maybe even $450. But if you've got a hearing issue especially, or you just like the style, some of the other features, this could be a great headphone for you in 2019.